2020 Honda Insight. Pros: superb fuel efficiency, mainstream price with luxury looks, roomy cabin and storage, generous tech features. Cons: gas engine crumbles when battery needs charging, lacks smartphone integration in LX trim, no hatchback or tuner knob. The Honda Insight reappeared in 2019 after a 5-year hiatus, borrowing from the company's perennially popular Civic for an ideal hybrid vehicle for drivers looking to lower their carbon footprint, but not to necessarily don a climate change superhero cap for all to admire. The unamusing compact sedan looks and drives like its gas-powered counterpart, but with impressive fuel efficiency. The 2020 Insight Hybrid also provides a long list of standard features, placing it among your top options in the segment. Features, pricing, and design. The 2020 Honda Insight is a 5-passenger hybrid sedan that comes in 3 trim levels: LX, EX, and Touring. All are powered by a 1.5-liter iVTEC 4-cylinder engine with front and rear electric motors for a combined 151 horsepower and 99 lb-feet of torque that runs through an eCVT transmission. The lithium-ion battery is located under the rear seat. EPA ratings for the Insight are 55 mpg city and 49 mpg highway for the lighter LX and EX trims, and 51 mpg city and 45 mpg highway for the heavier Insight Touring. The LX and EX trims comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, while the Touring trims has 18-inch alloy wheels. Unlike most automakers, Honda doesn't make you pay extra for options and is generous with its standard features. These include keyless entry, push-button start, LED headlights, heated power mirrors, and the Honda Sensing suite of advanced safety features such as forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control on all trim levels. The 2 upper trims add blind spot warning with cross-traffic monitor and remote engine start. The LX provides a 5-inch screen with AM and FM radio, a Pandora app, and a single USB port. The EX and Touring trims have a larger 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration, HD radio, Sirius XM, and 2 USB smartphone interface ports in the console. The EX adds an 8-speaker audio system, while the Touring trim provides a 10-speaker premium system, Honda Satellite Link navigation with voice recognition, and the Honda Link telematics system and Wi-Fi hotspot capability. The LX starts at $22,930, the EX at $24,310, and the Touring at $28,340. The Touring Insight is cosmic blue with ivory leather interior that we tested had a destination charge of $930 for a sticker price of $29,270. While the Insight shares design elements with its cousin the Honda Civic such as the roof and rear panels, it has its own distinct and attractive look, placing it squarely in the mainstream sedan category. The Insight's interior is more refined than the Civic's, but in line with other hybrids in its class. The LX and EX offer cloth seating, and the Touring trim adds heated front leather trimmed seats and a power moonroof. The cabin is quiet, and the audio system in the vehicle we tested is surprisingly good. Interface and connectivity. The Insight's infotainment interface has too many layers for our liking, making it overly complicated to access when behind the wheel. We appreciate that Honda has abandoned its terrible touch-only interface and gave the Insight a volume knob. But we wished Honda added a tuning knob as well rather than rely on the touchscreen. We like the larger configurable display on the EX and Touring trims and the convenient smartphone slot in the center console next to the USB port. While the 2 upper trim levels provide an additional USB port in the console, the back seat lacks charging options for passengers. The LX does offer Bluetooth for phone and audio, but we would expect Honda to provide Apple and Android connectivity as well, in line with other hybrids in its class. Wi-Fi is offered through an AT&T plan with a free 3-month trial subscription on many vehicles. A customizable digital gauge in the instrument panel displays a variety of information from fuel economy data to the speed limit. There is an extensive list of safety features including Honda's unique lane watch that displays an image on a screen in the center dash of what's in the front passenger side blind spot when the right turn signal is activated. Performance. Overall, the Insight is a comfortable ride in a smart-looking vehicle that, on first glance, doesn't look or behave like a hybrid. But it reminds you of its hybrid underpinnings primarily as the engine rattles and groans when the car needs to recharge the battery. The regenerative braking system is kind to first-time hybrid drivers, allowing for smooth stops without a steep learning curve as you become accustomed to its feel. The Insight provides 3 drive modes: Econ, Sport and EV. Sport mode is responsive and the battery pack under the seat creates a low center of gravity that enhances handling and provides sufficient cargo capacity when the rear seats lay flat. We wouldn't consider the Insight a luxury car, but a quiet and roomy cabin, grips handling and a refined ride make it a great commuter car. It can be a bit vocal at higher speeds, but otherwise accelerating onto freeways is responsive and reliable. Conclusions. The Honda Insight faces stiff competition from the Toyota Corolla Hybrid, the Toyota Prius and Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid. While it lacks the popular hatchback feature of many hybrids, its low-key design and features outdo the Prius in most respects. However, we recommend the EX model over the added luxuries and higher price of the touring trim we tested. Both come with upgraded features, but the EX provides a better sticker price and fuel efficiency for a compelling, cost-effective compact sedan. 2020 Honda Insight specifications. Body type: sedan. Drivetrain: front-wheel drive. Seating capacity: 5. Fuel type: hybrid. Engine: inline 4-cylinder. Transmission: ECVT.